Alright everybody, we're out here at Oologah Lake. Dog and I are out here. We're on the sunny side boat ramp, is right there, and we're gonna see if we could catch anything, doing a little bass fishing or seeing if we could get any, just seeing if we could catch anything here. I'm gonna start out with the water is kind of murky, so I'm starting out with this spinner bait right here. So we're gonna go down here and get started. I know there's bass over here because I was talking to a guy that left. He was over there fishing. He caught a largemouth bass, so I know there's some bass in here. And I know this does get deep fairly quick. That felt like a bite. Must have just been a rock. Don't ever leave trash laying around, guys. sisters always get mad when we come home from the lake because my dog loves to get dirty like that. Yeah. I honestly don't care if she gets dirty or not. I'd rather my dog have a good time than be bored to death all day. I think we're gonna go to another spot here soon, and that way we can either fish or I can sight in my bow. I just don't sit there, my bow's sighted in. I just need to get some target practice in. Because bow season in Oklahoma for deer starts in a month and a handful of days from right now. And I'm trying to get ready. Trying to be more prepared this year than what I was last year, because last year I just didn't have the time to do target practice, and hunting was not good last year because I just didn't have enough time to practice and get used to my equipment, my bow and stuff.